Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with a vlog of Waterfall in Expo 2020, which is an awesome place. Please do visit to this waterfall, which is in Ghibli Park. Each and everyone over there was enjoying the moment so much, either by sitting and looking at it or going near the water and playing with it. It was really nice. Next waterfall show was with the light effects. We enjoyed a lot over here and the experience was awesome. It is a very good place. Please do visit if you are visiting to Expo. This place is must to visit. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.